Hooray! Today we are going to do gingerbread.
Yay! Okay, what
we're going
are
to
the
decorate
steps?
them.
Okay.
So first, we need to transfer these icing inside here in the bag.
Okay.
I want color red. My red is my favorite color.
When you mix red and green, what will it turn kaya?
I don't know. Green.
You must try.
Purple.
Is it hard?
Yeah, I think you have to
Go
heat it
and
up.
heat it, warm it up. Ako yung magiging videographer. Ayan. They're gonna start it, so let's do it. Ate will put it in the bag. So, did you wash your hands, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I already did.
You did?
I brush away with the bubbles.
Alright.
The bubbles.
Okay.
This is hard. Nice one, not up. It's open. Oh, I did my tingle.
It's okay, baby.
Nope. Sticky. Mom, why that? Because I'm gonna fix it. Oh!
Try it. Try it. Try it on your hand. No, not there. Try
Okay,
it on
just green it.
Yeah.
Got green. Mommy, open the gingerbread snaps.
Okay.
And help me now. Put in the white noodles. I am going to put the red ones in here too. Oh, I want.
Ate,
Okay, we got a red one.
on
Thank
your
you.
temple.
Hey, happy. Give me your red. Okay, I'm gonna make this more. Yummy, no yummy.
Show your gingerbread.
Happy.
Yeah.
I is happy.
Alexa, pause. Thank you.
My cookies only have whites. Now we're going to cut them.
Gentle with the scissors. Vlogmas. Oh, Luna, how will you do it? This way, baby. This is warm. Where is it, Ate? This way? It's too big. Ate, what did you do? It's too big. You cut it too much.
Because it will dry up quickly,
Oh,
so you have to go.
Luna, like this. You decorate it with your, ano. It's warm. Ate.
It's hard. Okay, have this one. This
Let's
one.
see. What kind of icing is that?
Should have made an icing by ourselves.
Yeah, we have icing.
I doing it.
Your hair, baby.
Oh, oopsie. I doing it. I try too. I'm gonna make. I do whip it. Let's whip
Good job. Keep going, Luna.
Wait, I just whipped till my mouth. Yeah, baby, but you gotta wait. Okay. Where's your lunch go?
Ala, ginamit na yung kamay.
What? Oh, we've got sprinkles. Oh.
Malaking failed. It's okay. Just have fun. Bread.
Look, get some cream. Yay, I have a jacket. Hey, that's not so. Oh, that's a lot. Oopsie, my oops. Happy red statue.
about that? Can I? Ooh.
And Luna's is so cute.
Wait.
Oh no!
That's like, why are you? Oh my gosh, your face.
There.
Okay.
There we go.
Yay! There's lots of buttons. That's really beautiful, baby. You did a great job. Good job, girls.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed us watching us fail.
No, it's not a fail. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. The fail is the icing. But you didn't fail. You did a great job. So, hooray!
Hooray!
Again, 1, 2, 3.
Hooray!
Okay, you can eat it. How does it taste, Luna? Why?
It's so sour.
It's sour?
Yeah.
How does it taste, Yuki?
It's gingery.
Gingery? What is the name of the cookie?
Gingerbread. His name a boy.
Huh?
His name.
Oh, you're really naming here.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
The icing is yummy, but the cookie is gingery.
That's how it is, right? Are you gonna finish it? Okay. Yummy. Oh, you like it?
I have no shoes.
Chew it. Oh, no poor ginger. Ooh.
Hooray!
Again.
Listen to
1, 2, 3.
Hooray!
Again.